Hello, welcome to EduSpark Global. In this video, we are going to learn how to graph linear inequalities on a number line. So let's start with the following examples. Number one, we have x is greater than 4. Number 2, we have x is less than 6. Number 3, we have x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Number 4, we're going to have x is less than or equal to 1. Number 5, we're going to have 2 is less than x, and x is less than 4. So let's start with the first question. So for the first question, we're going to draw the number line. We'll draw our number line. Because the figure we are looking at is 4, so we're going to start with 4. Then let's place two numbers in front of 4 and also two numbers at the back of 4. So remember, you can have more numbers, okay? Now the question is saying x is greater than 4. So we're going to start from 4. Because it is greater than, we move the arrow to the right hand side. Then for the second question, which is x is less than 6, we're going to draw the number line. So let's start with the 6. We put two numbers in front of 6. So we have 7, we have 8. We put two numbers at the back of 6, we have 5, we have 4. X is less than 6. So we start from 6 and our arrow will move to the left hand side. So that is the second one. This is the first, this is the second. Then for the third, we have x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So we are going to draw our number line. So we start from minus 2 or negative 2. Then you put two numbers in front of negative 2, which will become negative 1 and 0. And also two numbers at the back of negative 2, which will give us negative 3 and negative 4. But the question is saying x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So we start from negative 2. Because it is greater than or equal to, we shade and we move the arrow to the right hand side. The next one is question number 4, which is x is less than or equal to 1. So we draw our number line. So let's start with 1. Then let's place two numbers in front of 1, which is 2 and 3. And let's place two numbers at the back of 1, which is 0 and negative 1. So we start from 1 because the question is talking about 1. Since it is less than or equal to 1, it is this shaded, then the arrow will move to the left hand side. So for question number 5, which is 2 is less than x and x is less than 4, we are going to draw our number line. We have 2 and 4. So let's ensure we have 2. So let's place two numbers at the back of 2, which is 1 and 0. We have 3, we have 4. So let's place two numbers in front of 4, which is 5 and 6. The question says 2 is less than, so we start from 2 is less than x and x is less than 4. So we connect it together. You recall that we did not shade it because it does not involve equals to. Okay, so let's solve more questions. For question 6, which is 2 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 4. The first thing we do is for us to draw the number line. So we're going to start from 2. So let's place two numbers at the back of 2, which is 1 and 0. Then we have 3, we have 4. Let's place two numbers in front of 4. We have 5, we have 6. So said 2 is less than or equal to x. So we start from 2. We are going to shade because it is less than or equal to, and x is less than 4. So we put it on 4, then we draw the line together. That is for question number 6. For question number 7, we have x is less than or equal to negative 3 or x is greater than 2. So we're going to draw the number line. So the first one is x is less than or equal to negative 3. So let's have negative 3. We have negative 2. We have negative 1. So let's have negative 4, negative 5. So x is less than so or equal to, so we shade it and move it to the left hand side. Or x is greater than 2. So let's have 0, 1, 2. Let's have 3 and 4 and 4. So x is greater than 2. So we place our 2 and move to the right hand side. For question number 8 and question number 9, please solve it and indicate your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.